Let Daddy show you.
Dinner.
What is that? Is that a bat?
And a ball.
A bat and a ball.
Wow. Happy birthday.
Get another toy.
What else you got?
Go ahead. What else is in there? Oh, thank you. Open it. Rip it.
What is that? Oh, shit.
Look. Like this. Open it. What is that? There you go.
You should that?
A ball.
That's a big ball. It's almost as big as you.
Here, honey. You didn't open this one. Ask Daddy to help you.
Oh my gosh, it's your birthday. You're 2 years old.
You want that plastic?
Boo-boo. What? Ooh. Go ahead. Whatever you can lift, huh? Look, right here.
Wait, do this one first. What is that? Wow.
What is that? Oh, okay. You want Daddy to open it? Daddy will open it. Go ahead, open your other ones.
That ball's in the way, huh?
There's more. Oh, let me see it.
Oh, that's heavy.
Oh, there you
That's
go.
okay.
What is there? Mega blocks.
Is that Legos? Cool. Oh my gosh, that's a heavy. Wow. Yeah, open. Open, open, open. Open, open, open. Come on, you can do it. Oh.
What is it? You don't know. You're just going to keep opening. What's that? Show me.
What you got there?
Now open it. That was Mommy's fault.
Oh, Mommy did it good, huh?
Apparently. A car.
more, Miguel.
You got 2 more presents, baby.
What?
There's more in your wagon.
Look.
Thank you.
What is that?
Chocolate.
One more.
What's that? What's that? Let me see it.
Oh, you.
Oh, and you just noticed the wagon.
You look it?
Okay. I broke it, huh?
Boo-boo, let me see. Let me see.
Daddy, you'll have to put it back together again. Daddy's good at putting it back together again.
What is that?
Yeah.
What's that? Another card.
And that's all. And then you got the big wagon, too. I think he likes the blocks better than anything.
But I don't know.
Yeah, let's put it inside. Shut them up. I want to get our dirty.
Take that one.
Wow.
Come on.
Here you go. Take it inside with Daddy.
Come on.
Oh, you want to hug it like that?
Come, Miguel.
Be careful.
We got this.
Hey, Sam.
Bye, Miguel. Have fun with your blocks. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Play.
All right. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. And he's over. He's all heavy.
Yeah.